Python. So simply write Python on a laptop or PC. So click on downloads, and then you have to download 3.75. So it's available in my laptop. I won't download it. Okay. Also, make sure to check your, as Python gives us different packages. So now, yeah, we have to download 3.75, and we will use that. Uh, okay, 3.75. Yeah, 3.75. Download. Yeah. So operating system. Check your operating system. Okay. So it's available in my laptop, so I won't download it. You have to download it. Okay. Till then, please subscribe my channel. Free to code. Please. Okay. Now we will folder, and I will name it Python. What should I name it? Yeah, let's name it Python. Okay. So now I'll open PyCharm. It was here, but I didn't open for me. I didn't see it. Okay. Sorry. Yeah. Let's wait for it. Till then, please like my video and subscribe my channel. Free to code. Let's skip these steps. So let's open new project. Create new project. Um. Okay. So Python Umar. My name is Umar. Let's save Python Umar. Okay. App development. Yeah. By Python. Okay. So yeah, that's okay. Yeah. Now create new process. Let us close this one. Okay, now we have to start, and they will go. So let's start. Okay, so we'll create a new Python file. Yeah, and I'll name it. What should I name it? Actually, let's name it variables. Yeah. So this Python course will help you understand all the vital elements of the Python programming language. Anyone who wants to learn Python without any prior experience in programming, and anyone who wants to refresh their Python skills and knowledge, they can complete this course and get a grip on widely used Python concepts. Okay, so Python. Starting Python. So after completing this course, you will be able to write programs in Python, use any Python libraries, and develop their own packages using Python. Okay, so let's start with variables and data types. Variables, variables, and data types. So please just be attentive. Pay attention here. Don't pay attention writing the code. Okay, so I will give the code to you in the comment box. No, sorry, in the description box. Sorry. So Python is a high-level interpreted, dynamically typed, and object-oriented language. Due to its high-level nature, the language is very easy to learn, and syntax is also simple. There are a variety of applications of Python in real world, like for machine learning, data science, game development, web applications, and many more. So in the previous video, I told you how to print text in Python. We use print. Um, I'll show you print. Okay, print. Over. So I showed you this in the last tutorial. Okay, as the syntax, let's start with what are variables. So what are variables? Variables is an entity that stores a value. The value may be a number, integer, real number, text, or a character. Let's see some examples of how you can use a variable to store values in. So let's do it in practical. Variables. Let's remove this data types for now. So variables. Okay. So let's suppose x equals to comma. Okay. And we say y equals to oh, sorry, I did an error. Let's add a number 1 and y equals to 2. Yeah. Okay. So let's add z equals to string. So add what storing string or text. Okay. So we'll say n equals to 8. Okay. So this is we are storing a character here. Right. Storing a character. Um, now and b. B equals to let's add 2. Yeah. we're storing a boolean value. So true, false. They are boolean values. Okay. So let's print x, y, and z, and then wait. Okay. Let's check. See, it's giving us one, two, string, a true. One, we printed one, x. X is one. Two is y, or y is true. Two. Z is string. Z is a string. Okay. And n is a. A is a character. B is true, which is a boolean. Okay. So when we order to the computer to print x, y, z, n, and b, it printed uh, one, two, string, true. Okay. Okay. So now I will comment it out. I will have to give it to you. Okay. So I write. I think. Um. So we have seen how to store variables. Now let's see how to print the values. You already know the answer, which is use print, which we use in the first chapter to print the despite text. Print x, y, z, and b. In our first lesson, we taught how to print some anything. So we did this. Print, like for suppose when I run it, it will print my name Umar. So like this, we can print variables by storing them. Yeah. So we can print variables by storing numbers or strings or characters or booleans in them, like I did. Okay.